Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note 12 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me. But from there, once the content is open and visible on your screen, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up right here with a share option, and after a moment it should, there we go, disappear. Once it does so, you can find that screenshot in your photos or gallery, whatever they have right here. So we have AI gallery right here. I guess we have to add AI to everything. Anyway, and here, when you go into albums, you'll have a screenshots album, and in here you'll find strictly screenshots that I have captured over the time. Now I recommend going to the albums just because it's going to be much easier to locate just screenshots later on once you have like different screenshots captured throughout your use of the device. So here you'll be able to quickly locate them. So there we go. Anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.